Welcome to the Super Gold Signals, Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. I want to begin tonight by looking at the important chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average and what that means. Prior to getting into the analysis of this chart, I just wanted to announce that I'm going to be offering a very special Bitcoin phone call with a man I call the King of Crypto. In addition to a stunning gold stocks have bottomed video, very important action that's taking place in that space. That all happens this weekend. Email me for details on the Supercoin and the video offer, and I will send it to you. I want to begin now again with a look at what's going on with the markets and a couple strategies that we are employing. We are concerned about I think there's a little bit left now. I think we got the catalyst today to the upside, but we have tested this area a few times already, and I am concerned that we are going to be seeing a drop in the neckline that is going to actually target, and this is the number we've been talking about here for a while. We have seen this rally. I would not declare us out of the woods at all. One of the tools to protect a portfolio from downside action, and as low as the VIX VXX is, now is a good time to add the position, and that is what we have done. This thing went up over 300% in March of 2020, so market turbulence can be an opportunity to protect other holdings in a portfolio. I want to look at a couple key inflation charts in the video tonight. The first one is nat gas. Nat gas back in March and April of this year was trading at 240. It's currently all the way up to the area of just over 550 and have been as high recently of close to 650. What that means is it's consolidating gains, but notice the costs are soaring from $2 to $6 would be a triple. That goes directly to heating bills. That is a problem. How do you take advantage of hedging yourself against inflation? Hold that thought. I'll cover that in just a moment. The next chart is a similar picture, and that is the oil inflation chart. Again, you go back to April, and you can see we were sitting at 40, and now we are nearly to 60. All that spells is about a 50% increase in energy costs. Energy costs in your home up substantially, up 50% basically. In the as you think about transportation costs, shipping costs, all of these things. One of the tools we use is a leverage vehicle. That is a part of our Super Gold Trader program. We are offering the $79 2-month special for hedging the stock market, as well as taking advantage of hedging your other positions in general, your underlying net asset with an inflation play. Drop us an email on that one as well. Now, as mentioned in the headline, and we're talking about gold stocks have bottomed with that special video over the weekend, I want to talk about the transitioning market that we are now seeing. And as you look at this goes back into April, big rally, but what takes place generally in markets is a phase one decline, and that certainly took place. And then the phase two is a transitioning market. The transition of that market has taken place with a double bottom formation, leg one, leg two, very nice gapping action. We've had open candlestick bull flag right here. Notice the sticks remained open even though there was a pullback. That suggests buying pressure. Last but not least, a bull wedge breakout that is targeting the area of 17.5 on this chart. Well, this is an ETF of gold itself, and what all of this is suggesting, even a larger inverse head and shoulder pattern and substantially higher prices. Do not count out an explosive several 100-point rally in gold. This week one of the underlying indicators I use, we had stock market weakness, and at the same time, we were having the crude oil markets were roaring higher. Of course, our subscribers were taking advantage of that in our trading service, but this spells the amount of pressure that is on inflation, and ultimately, that is going to be very good for the gold market. Be sure and sign up for that video this weekend talking about gold, the gold sector, gold stocks, and silver have bottomed. That's all for now. This is Morris saying thank you.